Take a ride in the 2018 Grand Cherokee. This vehicle is powered by a 2-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, speed control, 4-wheel disc brakes, front license plate bracket. Inside you'll find heated steering wheel, HD radio, Sirius satellite radio, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, power steering, security alarm, leather shift knob, cloth bucket seats. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. Your new ride is just a phone call away.